This year, as the schools under the Central Tibetan Administration's Department of Education set a historic landmark by producing 19 students scoring 95% and above, a commendable number of Tibetan students enrolled in Indian schools have also made us proud by achieving first ranks in their respective schools and districts. One such student is Rinzin Youtso, who is a topper in Delhi Public School, Dehradun, by securing 98.8% in Class 12 CBSE examination. Let's talk with Rinzin Youtso on her success, her future plans, and techniques for scoring high in exams.
Tashtile Rinzin Youtso.
Tashtile.
Youtso, how do you feel to be the topper of your school and receiving the Sikyong Appreciation Award?
To have become the topper of my school, it really gives me like mixed range of feelings, because on one hand, I feel really happy that amongst so many deserving Indian students, I am one Tibetan and I top the school. So it gives me great joy. And on the other hand, it also gives me great pleasure that I was able to live up to the expectations, the huge expectations that the teachers, my parents, my friends, my well-wishers, they have been putting on me. So yeah, it was really a mixed range of feelings, and I feel happy, really. I'm really shocked and I'm happy.
Rinzila, as per your experience, how and in what ways can people around support a child in his or her studies and in preparing for their exams?
I feel that since a student is surrounded by parents and yes, teachers are very important. According to my experience, it was like my teachers have been like friends. They're not like teachers. I never call them teachers. We call on the phone, we talk about our lives, they give me advices, and they give us notes, special notes for the exams. So they have been like friends, so supportive, and not just in academics, in every field. Like I've seen students in my class who are not good in academics, but still the teachers give them equal importance and equal support. They never let them down. And as for the parents, my parents helped me groom and learn the life skills, the communication skills, and yeah, the helps me develop an all-round personality. So the parents and the teachers are everything. They should be supportive and they can help a student to succeed. Yeah.
Right. I'm sure many of our students would want to know this. What are your secret mantra or mantras? How many hours in a day do you spend studying or preparing for the exam?
Well, honestly speaking, I don't have a special study mantra or formula. But first of all, I would really like to say that it's because of the blessings and the grace of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama. We are all really much looking up to him. We all Tibetans. So as for my study mantra, I would like to say I study with full dedication. Like I don't study every day, but whenever I study, like maybe it an hour or so, I study with full dedication. Like my entire attention is on the subject, and on top the stream which I chose, that is humanities. It is something which I'm truly interested in. So when you learn something you are interested and you love, and it comes out quite natural. So my entire board preparation and my examinations have been like a fun-loving process. I was quite chilled out. So I think everybody should be chilled out. They should never stress.
Right. And this, the ongoing COVID pandemic, did it affect you and your studies and preparation for exam in any way?
The pandemic, it's a huge event, first of all, that we are experiencing it. It's quite sad. But fortunately, it did not affect me that much because I completed like 5 of my exams. Only one was pending. We students were just, disturbed that because of the uncertainty of the exam. Apart from that, we were all fine because just one examination was left. And even though finally the exams were cancelled, I was happy. Like that finally relieved that a decision was taken. We were also speculating about what would happen, like cancel chinachi, yamana tangna tangdo. So we were so confused. And finally, when the results were, they said that they would be canceling. So we were relieved. And but still, even throughout the lockdown, I kept on revising the last subject which was left. I never left it. Every day I kept on going through the notes, the topics, so that I don't forget the subject. So did not affect that much.
You have been in different schools and you made sure that you took Tibetan language as one of your classes until you were in class 10, right? Tell us about it. Why was it important for you to take Tibetan language in the schools that was run by Indians, and most of your peers were non-Tibetan? Wasn't it challenging?
Yes. So it's like since His Holiness the Dalai Lama always, emphasizes that us youth, especially, we should preserve our language and our culture. So in the same way, my parents also thought that once I'm enrolling in a school, an Indian private school, so there should be Tibetan, And luckily, I was very lucky that I found a school which had Tibetan language as an option. And I'm grateful to the school as well that they had a teacher, and I got to study Tibetan as a language. Like, it was great feeling, and I personally like the subject. So even I scored 99% in Tibetan in 10th board exam. So I'm proud of that. So it was a very good feeling. And since the language is important, and my teachers especially guided me a lot. And yes, it was challenging, because majority of the students there were non-Tibetans. So I had to go and attend the classes on my own with one teacher. So it was quite weird sometimes, sitting with a teacher. But I love the subject and my passion for the subject, and my teacher, she was a good lady, and so it helped me succeed a lot.
I wanted to ask you, what are your future plans in academics, and how are you preparing to pursue it?
Honestly speaking, I have no set plans for my future, but yes, I'm very much interested in pursuing psychology and hoping to take it as a major. So let's see, you might see me become a psychologist or a counselor in the near future.
I would very much love to see you. Thank you so much, Rinzin Youtso Bhutia. Good luck for that, and good luck for all your future endeavors, all right? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Such an honor.